Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Like we already know, we are doing mango series and this is our second recipe. Today we're going to do yet another simple but flavor bomb recipe, raw mango chutney. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pan, I'm taking 10 red chilies. You can add more if you can handle the spice. 2 Byadgi chilies just for the color, totally optional. 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Let's dry roast this. There are many variations of making raw mango chutney, from sweet to sour to raw to cooked, but this is my version. Basically, it's tangy and spicy sauce that can be eaten with idli, dosa, and with hot rice. It's heaven. And this looks like it has turned aromatic and crispy. So let's transfer this to a blender. To the roasted chilies, I'm adding a cup of peeled raw mango, 1 cup of fresh coconut, a teaspoon of salt. Let's blend this into a fine paste. Perfect. And now for tempering, I'm taking 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, some curry leaves, half a teaspoon of hing, and by now you know I'm a huge fan. Let it splutter. The idea is to crisp those curry leaves. Perfect. Now I'm adding the chutney into it. Okay, a small tip for the day. By doing this, we managed to take out most of the moisture from the coconut and mango so that it can be stored in fridge for a day or two, also for 3 days. So you can do this for all the chutneys. You can just fry it for a minute and it's done. So easy. So please share the pictures with us on Instagram if you try it, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video.